Can you imagine the terror of a celebrity being pulled over, only to find out their freedom is on the line? That's exactly what happened to Little Women Atlanta star Ms. Juicy, whose April 18th arrest in Winder, Georgia, turned into a heart-wrenching spectacle caught entirely on police body cam footage. Our exclusive insights reveal Ms. Juicy, whose real name is Charlene King-Pearson, was absolutely blindsided when officers delivered the shocking news. She was going to jail. "I am going to jail," she tearfully questioned, disbelief evident in her voice as cameras rolled. Apparently, she was booked on charges of driving on a suspended license and no proof of insurance, but the real drama unfolded as she passionately insisted she believed her license issues were long resolved in court. The star was visibly distraught, admitting she'd only received a cryptic letter about a warrant, leaving her utterly baffled. The raw emotion peaked when she made a desperate phone call to a friend, pleading, "I don't want nobody to see me. If they see me, they gonna take photos." This candid moment truly highlights the intense pressure celebrities face, even in their most vulnerable moments, exposing the chilling reality behind the glamour. It's a truly captivating look into a celebrity's worst nightmare. Don't miss out on more shocking celebrity news. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the exclusive scoops. Be in the know with Hollywood gossip. Subscribe for comprehensive coverage.